Couchbase is thrilled to announce the launch of the ISV Starter Factory. If you're building an application and are looking for a fast, flexible, and affordable cloud database with the scale and compute power of AWS, you've come to the right place. And now, with the launch of the ISV Starter Factory, you get even more. You get an experienced team who will work with you on a technical proof of value workshop to define the scope. Post this, you get access to a 30-day free POC managed by our sales engineers, so you can kick the tires, so to speak. At the end of the POC, you can sign up for Capella, our database as a service, which comes bundled with a number of promotions for licensing, trainings, and certifications. And that's not all. If you're in a hurry to get started but need migration help, we have aligned a number of system integrators in the US and Europe who can provide assistance through the AWS Migration Acceleration Program. If you would like to sign up today or have questions, feel free to drop us a line at isvs@couchbase.com.